Hey guys, my name is Vanessa Connery. I'm a science teacher here at APS Avenues, and I just wanted to really quickly walk you through some of the basics of logging into Schoology so that you can access all your schoolwork this year. The first thing to know about Schoology is that you don't want to log in from any old Schoology login site. You want to find the Aurora Public Schools Schoology login. So if you Google that, you'll find aps.schoology.com and you can select that. I would just pin this page so that you have an easy time finding it. Your username and password will vary, but you should get information from your counselor regarding what info you need to get into this actual website as far as that goes. But I'm going to log in real quick here, and you can see it says Aurora Public Schools, Aurora, Colorado, which means I'm in the right login spot. So I log in, and there's all this information here. And the first place that kids, for the most part, are going to need to go is to courses. So I'm going to select on my courses. If you have me this year, you probably either have biology, earth science, or GED. So I'm going to start by clicking on this biology course. All of your courses will land you right here in this updates area. If there is anything important going on in this class, it'll pop up in this updates area. For example, I might say school starts on Tuesday, August 18th. I'll post that, and you are likely to get an email, letting you know that you got a new update. But it starts you here so that you can check for important information. All right, anything we have that you need to know will be here in updates. Where the coursework is materials. So I'm going to click on materials here, and you can see we're going to start all of my classes, and probably all of your classes will have a start here folder where you end up checking out some things like a teacher video, how to log into Schoology, a syllabus. Whoa, let's know that's that. And then you'll choose your session here. So session 1 is what we're going to be doing this first 8 weeks or first quarter of the school year. So since we're doing 20-day sessions right now, you've got 20 days to finish a bunch of work. You can see that all of our information, our assignments are broken down by day. So once you get in here, you know what to do every day. So day 1, intro to ecology and ecological terms, you find assignments, you click on them. And that gets you where you need to go. And then as you complete assignments, you'll submit them through Schoology, and I'll talk about that in a different video. But I just wanted to give you some basics for logging in and then kind of navigating through Schoology to find what you need. But remember, materials are where you find classwork. Updates are where you find important information. And you'll also have a space to find your grades. This is different for teachers and students, but you'll be able to update yourself and get a good understanding of what assignments you've got turned in and what you need to complete by looking at your grade book. If you have any questions, let me know, but I think that's it for now. Take care.